Have you accidentally deleted your important files from pen drive? Then watch this video to recover your precious data even from formatted drives. So we have 1 GB micro SD card with one sample video inside to simulate this situation. So we will go ahead and delete this video from SD card. We will also format this SD card to see if we can recover deleted video from the formatted card. So now our SD card is formatted. To recover our deleted video, we will use one file recovery tool. So go ahead, open your browser, and type DMD download. Check the search results and go to the site as shown here. Download the file according to your operating system. Here we are downloading file for Windows 64-bit. The file will be downloaded as a zip archive. Now go ahead and extract this zip archive. Files inside this archive will look like this. Now all you need to do is to run dmd.exe file as an administrator. Now complete installation process. Select your language, click on the Accept button, and new menu will pop up. In this menu, you will recover data by selecting either physical drive or logical drive. We will show you both methods. Selection of physical drive or logical drive depends on the condition of the storage device. Check information given above. So first we will select option 1. And of course, we have to select the disk from where we need to recover the data, and then click on the Open button. Now you will see the primary partition as shown here. Select Primary Partition and click on the Open Volume button. Now go ahead and click on the Full Volume Scan button. Click OK if pop-up appears and your volume scan will start. In the next pop-up, click on the Scan button. Here we are fast-forwarding the scan process. Full volume scan will take time, depends on the condition and size of the drive. You can save scan logs to resume it later. It will be helpful if your drive size is big. Here we will click on the NL button. Once the scan is completed, you will see the history of deleted headers, sectors, volumes, partitions, and files in the left side of the panel. As you can see, all deleted zip files, documents, graphics, media, text, and all other deleted files will appear here. Our deleted video file F740 will also appear here. Now we will see another option to recover same file. To do this, run the DMD file again as an administrator, and this time select the Logical Disks option. As we've seen in the previous option, same options will appear here. But this time, instead of pressing Open Volume button, we will click on the Full Scan button directly, and in the next pop-up, click on the Scan button to start the scan process. Again, we are fast-forwarding this process to save the time, and that's the reason to select 1 GB card. Once the scan completed, select the partition as shown here and click on the Open Volume button. You can see all your deleted data again appear here. Here, we are interested in to recover deleted video file, which is appear as F616. Don't worry, the name is different, but data is same. Right-click on the file and select Recover option. Select the directory where you wish to save the recover file. Here we are saving it in recovery directory available in D drive, and click on the recover button and your file will be recovered. Congratulations! You have recovered your deleted video file and it is playable.